Hi, welcome back. Time to have a look at some landscapes. Let's start with a sunset sky. Yellow ochre, alizarin crimson, titanium white. Start off by mixing a good bit of the alizarin crimson there into the yellow ochre to warm it. You can see how much warmer that is than the original colour. Okay, so two of these colours are going to be tints, and one of them is going to be pushed even further into the red. So I'm going to start off by mixing a little bit of the mixture, the warmed up mixture, into white. Adjust as you need to, but I think that's pretty close. Okay, it's exactly the same deal with the next one, just with a bit more. So we'll just bring this in. We want this to be a good bit more yellowy, not too red. Okay, that's pretty close. And we'll take the rest of this pile here. So what we need to do with that one is take it even further to the red. There we go, pretty close. Of course you get a twofer with this one because the reflection in the water is exactly the same colours, just in reverse. All you have to do, once you've painted the trees in, is blend it from left to right with a brush, just very, very lightly touching the bristles against the canvas. There you go. So, if that's been useful to you, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Cheers.